Welcome to Top 5 Reviews.
Ten Best Floor Standing Speaker. We are going to check out top 10 best floor standing speaker in current time. I mean, this list is best my personal opinion, and I try to list them best on their price, quality, durability, and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about this floor standing speaker, you can check out the link down in the description and comment section below. So let's get started with the video.
Top 10.
MartinLogan ElectroMotion ESL-X Floor Standing Speaker each, Satin Black. High Frequency Transducer, XStat CLS Electrostate Transducer. Panel dimensions, 40 x 8.6, 102 centimeters x 22 centimeters. Radiating area, 344 square inches. Low frequency driver, 2.8, 20.3 centimeters. High excursion, high rigidity paper cones with extended throw driver assembly, non-resonance asymmetrical chamber format, bass reflex. Vodko topology filter utilizing custom air core coil and low DCR steel laminate inductors, polyester film capacitors in series, and low DF electrolytic capacitors in parallel.
Top 9.
Wharfedale Diamond 12.3 Dual 5 2.5-way tower floor standing speaker, pair, light oak. 2X Diamond 12.3 Dual 5 2.5-way tower floor standing speakers, light oak. Wharfedale 5-year limited warranty. Clarity affords focus. Nanio clarity cone material. A magnet of forces. A precision-made magnet system with an aluminum compensation ring. A voice coil beyond this class. The voice coil is wound on a high-power epoxy/glass fiber bobbin.
Top 8.
Key FR3 Standmound speakers, pair, white. A true three-way speaker, the R3 has a powerful 165mm, 6.5 inches, bass driver and a 125mm, 5 inches, mid-range driver with 25mm, 1 inch. Aluminum dome tweeter uni-Q array that pushes performance to new extremes. Frequency response, plus or minus 3 decibels. 52 Hz, 28 kHz. The R3 includes matching precision cut magnetic microfiber grills. 12th generation uni-Q driver provides a pure and precise sound with outstanding sonic imaging.
Top 7.
Polk Audio Monitor 60 Series EU Floor Standing Speaker, black, single. For home audio affordable price, 1 tweeter, 3 to 5.25 woofers. One of D80 best-selling floor standing speakers, this tower speaker includes a 1 dynamic balance dome tweeter and 3 to 5 1/4 dynamic balance woofers, guarantee high quality and impressive power in a 3-way design. Incredible sound at an affordable price. Enjoy clear, crisp, and spacious stereo sound with wider dispersion for 3-dimensional and more lifelike audio in your bedroom, living, or entertainment room.
Top 6.
ELAC Debut 2.0 f6.2 Floor Standing Speaker, black, each. New tweeter with wide dispersion waveguide. New woven aramid fiber woofer. New, larger cabinets. Sensitivity, 87 dB at 2.83/1 meter.
Top 5.
Polk Audio T50 150-watt home theater floor standing tower speaker, single. Amazing sound, Dolby and DTS surround. Get superior home theater experience with IMM RSIV surround sound and high RES audio. Featuring a 1 tweeter, a 6.5 driver, and 2 to 6.5 bass radiators. The 2 bass radiators augment the main woofer and produce a well-balanced, natural warm sound reaching the far corners of the room.
Top 4.
Focal Cora 826 floor standing speakers, pair, light wood. 2. Chora 826 floor standing speaker, each, light wood.
Top 3.
Klipsch 2-pack R625 FA Dolby Atmos floor standing speaker. Bundle with R41M bookshelf home speakers, R52C center channel home speaker, R12 SWA12 and wireless subwoofer. Black polymer veneer. 2-pack R625 FA Dolby Atmos floor standing speaker. 2 grills installed. 2 feet. 4 screws. Warranty. Klipsch R41M bookshelf home speakers. Klipsch R52C center channel home speaker. Klipsch R12 SW12 wireless subwoofer. Brushed black polymer veneer. Frequency response 38 Hz, 21 kHz +/3 decibels. Sensitivity 96 decibels at 2.83 V/1 M.
Top 2.
ELAC DBR62 debut reference bookshelf speakers, white/oak and 15 deft. Sensible speaker wire bundle. 120 W home audio speakers, 6.5 woofers, 1 tweeters /grills. For music, movies, and video games. Ready to install home audio bundle includes 3 items. ELAC debit reference speakers pair, 15-foot sensible speaker cable, and Car Toys keychain. Car Toys is an ELAC authorized retailer. Speakers enclosure type, 2-way bass reflex. Speakers frequency response, 44 Hz, 35,000 Hz. Speaker sensitivity, 86 at 2.83/1 meter.
Top 1.
SVS Prime Pinnacle floor standing speakers, pair, black ash. 2. Prime Pinnacle floor standing speaker, each, black ash. Smooth, crisp, and refined sound without sacrificing effortless bass and jaw-dropping impact. 1 aluminum dome tweeter. 5.25 mid-range driver. Triple 6.5 woofer. For the latest price. If you like this video, please hit the link button below, share with your friends, and be sure to subscribe.